Girl vacay. A wedding!
I wonder if he's an albino.
It's King Julian! All hail! Say hi! So I'm gonna pet a stingray. Thank you. Oh my god! I love. Watch out with the stuck salt. It just feels so cool. Yeah, and then it doesn't. It's so freaking cool. Shoot. Watch out with the stuck salt. Right?
The blonde, I think.
I was always the redhead. We're talking about Totally Spies, and if you remember that, then you know which one you guys and your friends would fight over on who to be. I don't remember her name, but it was the redhead.
I feel like it was Blossom or something.
That's
Blossom's from Powerpuff Girls,
That's
but
why.
from Powerpuff Girls, I like to Blossom too.
There's Alex Clover,
That's what it was.
and I can't remember the third one.
I can't even get you in the shot because my arm doesn't go that way.
Break it.
Break it, it's fine.
Gotta get the angle.
But yeah, we were just saying that me and Anne Louise really liked the characters that were redheaded, always. I don't know why. It was Kim Possible, Blossoms, redhead from Totally Spies, Little Mermaid.
Sam. Alex Clover and Sam.
Oh yeah, that's right.
You guys liked Sam.
Yeah.
Yes.
I liked Alex.
They were also so stylish, and I was like, I love
But like,
it.
they're the only cartoon that has different outfits for every single episode.
Yeah,
That's true.
but I love that. I was like, wow, they have fashion. A wedding!
Sorry, I'm filming.
You can
Oh my gosh, looks stunning.
white.
I love guys.
I love the bridesmaid dresses.
Me too. Wow. Good morning. It is Saturday and I think it's like 9 in the morning. But we're gonna go get breakfast and go to the mall after, and then we're gonna head home. But I curled my hair. This is my outfit. My little dress. And my sandals. I don't think it works that well, but no. You'll work with what you got. Looks like we got beat up. Not me wearing makeup to the beach.
Right?
It was,
It held up well.
yeah, right? It was unprompted. Girl vacay. It's raining now. We made it just in time. It's like sprinkling. So we spent maybe like what, an hour?
Yeah.
Or something at the beach. And then collectively at the same time, without saying anything, we're like, I think I'm done here.
Yeah.
It was nice, but it's cold because it's windy. And those waves were huge.
Yeah, they were harsh.
Yeah, like we were trying to film it or at least take pictures of what the waves looked like, but like it's not doing it justice on camera.
No, it really isn't.
Can I have fried rice, please? Can I just do the fried rice and then chicken with teriyaki? Yeah. Thank you. My hair looks so much wilder than I thought. I closed my hair on the door, which is my first reason for filming